TESSAN Flat Plug Power Strip.
The TESSAN flat plug extension cord offers 4 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, including USB-C, with a compact design and 900 joules surge protection, making it ideal for home and office use. Compact and space-saving design. Its flat plug design allows it to fit into tight spaces, making it perfect for use behind furniture without protruding. Multiple charging options. With 4 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, 1 USB-C and 2 USB-A, it caters to various device charging needs simultaneously. Surge protection feature. Equipped with 900 joules of surge protection, this power strip safeguards devices from power surges and electrical spikes. Versatile mounting options. Designed with mounting holes and rubber feet, it can be easily installed on walls or kept stable on surfaces, enhancing usability. Limited cord length. At 5 feet, the length may not be sufficient for all setups, especially in larger rooms. Bulky power adapters may block outlets. The design may not accommodate larger power adapters without blocking nearby outlets, which can be inconvenient. Mounting may require additional hardware. While it has mounting options, users may need to find suitable screws as they are not included. USB ports may have limited output. The USB-C port charges at a maximum of 3 amps, which may not be fast enough for some high-demand devices. A TESSAN flat plug extension cord is an excellent choice for those seeking a compact and versatile power solution with multiple charging options and surge protection. However, its limited cord length and potential compatibility issues with larger plugs might be drawbacks for some users. It is especially recommended for small spaces or areas with hard-to-reach outlets, making it a valuable addition to any home or office.
Are you excited to make a purchase? Or do you need a little more time to decide? No need to hurry. Check out the product link in the description below. Just click on it to explore the Amazon website, where you can dive into more details and read reviews that will help you make the best choice. Happy shopping!